Welcome back to another banger, YouTube. Today we're gonna be showing you guys 6 different ways you can make money as a gaming YouTuber. Drop a like on the video, subscribe, and turn them notifications on right now so you never miss another bang. Now the 6 ways to get paid as a gaming YouTuber are watch page ads, shorts feeds ads, membership, super chats, affiliate / merch. Let's go ahead and jump into this real quick and let's dive into these analytics. Now this channel's only been monetized. I think I first got watch page monetized around like January 15th-ish. That's when I first got monetized on this channel. So any views before that one counted and all that good stuff. We're gonna get into the first way to get paid. You feel me? The watch paid ads. Now watch paid ads are every time a person watches an ad on like a full-length video. Full-length videos are any videos more than 60 seconds that are horizontal. It's what pays the most, but I don't have that many views when it comes to watch page ads. So for me, it's a little low. My channel is mainly a shorts channel, so my amount I made this year $692 in total watch page ads. Now the second thing is shorts ads, like shorts feeds ads. Now I'm not exactly sure how the ads work on this because they don't have like mirrors and stuff like that like they do on full-length content, but we have made a total of $1,700 from short this year. That's any shorts content, you feel me? Any shorts content. Now they're changing the shorts content. I don't really know how the revenue is going to work with that because they're upping the cap for shorts. So the revenue might go up for shorts because they up the cap from 1 minute to 3 minutes. They're slowly integrating it over. Of course, they say by the end of November we should fully have the over 1 minute shorts in the short shelf. Right now they're not in the short shelf, but they are counting as shorts feeds. We are getting like analytics from the shorts feeds from them. So I'm not sure how the revenue is from. Hopefully it is more. All right, for the third option, we got members. Right now I only got like 7 members. I get like 6-7 members. I don't really promote the members like that. It's hard to find when you're watching shorts live. You can't really find them. You have to jump through loops to find it. But for my guys that do join, you can start your own like subscription. It's basically like a sub on like Twitch or Kick. It's just like that. You add badges, different exclusive stuff, you feel me? And when you build a following, build a fan base, people gonna come rock with you feel me? Number 4, we have super chats. Super chats, now this determines your fan base that you grow, your loyal audience. The more loyal your audience is, the more you make. I made a total of $1,100 year to date, and that's not even counting, that's just the 70% I make. That's not even counting the other 30%, you feel me? And that's from like super stickers, super things, super chats. Those are like basically like people can donate and they can read a message out loud. Like me, I have TTS on. You can turn TTS on, some people don't. I have TTS on, so whenever someone donates a super chat, it'll read their message out loud if they add one. At number 5 is affiliate program. Me, I haven't done this. I stayed away from it. I might try it, test it out. But this is basically you get a product, you find a product, you get the product, do a video on it, and you can add, like it's a shop to add items to it. You can add items to a video. Basically, you do a video on like a shirt or something. They got shirts, Walmart stuff. Do a nice video on it, make it seem fire, make it seem useful, and people can buy the item through your video and you'll get a commission on each item. We haven't done this yet, so we haven't made any money on it, but I've seen hella creators make hella money off this. I thought about doing it. Maybe in the future we'll get into it. Now for the last thing, there are merch. You can add your merch if you get in tune with a couple different websites. Like me, for example, I got this website Bonfire. I don't promote this much. You see how much we made? We only sold 4 shirts, $30. I don't promote this much, but you feel me? I pin it on my videos. This is my merch if you want to get tuned in. If you want some merch, we'll pin it on this video for y'all. You feel me? You want to tap in and get yourself some merch. But this is the last and final way you can set up your merch. For example, with Bonfire, they can get you a deal if you got a certain amount of subs. If you got over 10K subs, they rock with you. You free merch, stuff like that. Give you free designs, stuff like that. And it's the final and last way you can make money as a gaming YouTuber. If y'all want a part 2 to this video on more ways to make money as a gaming YouTuber in 2024, y'all comment down below, smash the like button. Let's go for 100 like goal on this video. And don't forget to to tap into my Twitch where I stream every single day, and tap into my PR vid I just dropped, man. My PR vid, I dropped 34 kills, man. Tap in. Maybe you like the game and maybe you don't. Tap in if you do.